If you're considering buying bench accounting software, there are 12 important things you need to know before making your decision, especially when comparing it to competitors like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. Bench offers some unique features, but is it the right choice for your business? Let's dive in. First off, Bench stands out because it's one of the few accounting services that provides a dedicated bookkeeper for every client. Unlike software like QuickBooks, which relies heavily on user input, Bench's team handles your day-to-day bookkeeping. This hands-off approach is great if you want to focus on running your business and not crunching numbers. Next thing to consider is the pricing. Bench doesn't come with a free version like many competitors, so you'll need to pay for their services up front. While the pricing can be higher than QuickBooks or FreshBooks, you're paying for a full-service team of bookkeepers, which could be worth the cost if you don't want to hire in-house help. The third thing is Bench's ease of use. Unlike QuickBooks, which can feel overwhelming with its many features, Bench keeps things simple with an intuitive dashboard. However, if you need advanced features or customization, you may feel limited compared to some other options. The fourth thing is the lack of tax support. While Bench will provide your monthly and yearly financial reports, it doesn't offer tax filing or support directly, unlike QuickBooks, which has built-in tax tools. You'll need to hire a separate tax professional or use a different service for tax filing. Next thing to note is Bench's focus on small businesses. It's designed to cater to businesses with simpler needs. If you're a large enterprise with complex accounting requirements, Bench might not be the best fit. In contrast, competitors like Xero and QuickBooks offer more robust solutions for bigger businesses. Another important point is Bench's customer support. With a dedicated bookkeeper, you get more personalized support than what's offered by competitors like FreshBooks, which operates mainly through chat support. That said, response times can vary, and some users report delays in getting assistance. Moving on, the next point is integrations. Bench has limited integrations compared to alternatives like QuickBooks, which syncs with hundreds of third-party applications. If your business relies on other software, this could be a deal breaker for you. The eighth thing to think about is their reporting features. Bench does a good job of providing key financial reports like balance sheets and profit and loss statements. However, if you need advanced reporting or customization, you might find the options a bit basic compared to something like QuickBooks, which offers more detailed and customizable reporting tools. Another thing to consider is automation. Bench automates a lot of tasks, but not as much as some other platforms like FreshBooks, which includes automatic invoice reminders and recurring billing. Bench does streamline bookkeeping, but it might not be as advanced in other areas like invoicing. Now, let's talk about their mobile app. Bench doesn't offer a mobile app as robust as QuickBooks or Xero, which can be a downside if you need to manage your finances on the go. It's not a huge deal breaker, but it's worth noting if mobile access is important to you. Next, let's look at scalability. Bench is great for small businesses, but if you're planning to grow rapidly or expand your accounting needs, you might find it lacking. Competitors like QuickBooks and Xero offer more flexibility for scaling your business. Another point is their monthly bookkeeping reports. While Bench provides monthly reports, you'll need to manually request certain financial documents for review. Competitors like FreshBooks automatically generate detailed reports that are more accessible without much interaction. The final thing to know is that while Bench is a solid option for businesses looking for a hands-off approach to bookkeeping, it lacks some of the advanced features of other software, particularly when it comes to customization and integrations. In conclusion, Bench accounting is a good option for small businesses that need an easy-to-use, hands-off bookkeeping solution. However, if you're looking for a more customizable or scalable solution with additional features, you might want to check out our recommended solution. You can even try it for free to see how it compares before making your decision.